Yes.
Back in the day when you was in school, was it anything you wanted to see? Was it anything you wanted to achieve? And if you say no, you didn't believe. Truth is elevation and the mind and the body, your spirit is all in the same. It is impossible if you made the game. I remember took it as I made in my lane. Perfected I'll never give it up when I made a decision to put myself first. And the work with my speech impediment, I put it on paper better in that medicine. Feel like a perfume, I got the medicine stuck in the middle. Like all of the medicine, simple and absurd. They can't get the evidence over the shit that innocent, but it's never nothing for you to dismiss it. Stop talking. There's no reason for you to dismiss it. I'm tired of people acting like I did that. I'm speaking my own, I did it my own. I'm speaking my truth, and leave me alone. Fuck what you saying, fuck what you heard. What's the word?